Congratulations in investing in you and your business with this business planner. This is going to be a total game changer for you, whether you are starting out as a new business or you have an established one and just want to be more organized. This book is full of business goodness. It's time to plan ahead, create amazing products and services, and thrive in both your businesses and personal life. Enjoy and keep kicking goals. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I thought I would do a little bit of a Steph Pace planner review. I did get one of the planners last year, which was the business planner, and this year I got another one of her business planners. And I'll be really honest, I absolutely love it. I think these are great for anybody starting a business or even doing social media stuff like I am. And also I think these are good for even people that have an existing business as well. And I will explain why when we're doing this. The guts of it, I absolutely love this. It has a little pocket just in the front here, so you can put in things that you need to put in. And then if you lose your diary, it's got here, you can put your name and address there, or business address, or wherever you wanted, so someone could contact you to return your diary. In here you have your public holidays and days to remember, and then you've also got your important dates. So for somebody who does use calendars a fair bit, when I was doing like planning and stuff like that for work in childcare, I would always go to the events calendar, and that is the first thing I do to schedule my year out, so I could schedule those things. And for businesses, it's probably the same as well. You want to know when all your holidays are, so then you can plan those sales, and then in between you can think of other things you can do to promote your business, so whether it's new products, launches and things like that. So in here we have some more, the rest of the important dates. We have a yearly overview here of the entire year. There is a whole ones written in here as well, so you can write down every single day and what post you wanted if you really wanted to do that, to be super organized. And then you have your promotional and seasonal ideas that you want to put in for the entire year. And then you've got some quotes throughout. So I've noticed that most of the pages start with a quote and end with a quote. This is how the months look. So you have this month, the focus, and then you've got what your goals are, the to-do list, your projects and ideas, and then some of the key dates and promotions, and then a few notes. And then again, you've got a monthly overview for 2023, just for your January. So again, you can write in all your dates, all your things, and you can see them on a spreadsheet, so you can see exactly what you've got going on. And then here is all your brain dump of ideas that you think that you may want to do. And this is how each week is set out. Now, I love this because you've got your top 3 priorities. So when you're writing out your to-do list, if you write your top 3 in there and then write the rest, so then you know if you don't get all those done, at least you got your top 3. This one here, your time and scheduling. I love the fact that it hasn't got times written in there, because a lot of diaries have times already written in the diary for you. And then you may have clients, and you may have a client that goes for an hour and 45, for instance, if you're going in 15-minute blocks, and a lot of diaries just go in hours or half-hour blocks. So yeah, I really, really like that. And then you've got your top priorities and some due dates, what your weekly focus is, and your weekly goals are. So that is literally the same on every page. So it's got two days to each page. So yes, it is a huge, big, bulky diary. So that's probably the one negative I will say about this. But I think for the amount of stuff that you get in this diary, I don't think you could make it any smaller than what it is. So that is just how your month is looking, and I'm going to skip to the end of the month because they are all literally the same. You have a monthly reflection. So this is really great because you can just think about what has worked, what hasn't worked, and how you can change it for the next month, so that you are learning from things and accomplishments that I'm proud of, lessons I've learned this month, things that I can improve on for next month. How is each area of my business tracking? So you've got admin, marketing, finance, new projects, other. One way I can achieve life-work balance this month, which is so important. What roadblocks did I experience, and what can I learn from this? Then you've got your next month. So this is just how your months are looking. As I said, they are all really the same. And then down the side, you've got this beautiful tabs here, which has all your bits and pieces so you can skip straight to the month. You do have a bookmark as well, so you can bookmark your days in. So we're going to skip right down to the back to the business section. And these have got some really cool books that you might want to read, so you can pop them in. Anything that you've heard of, you can have a spot where you can dump your ideas in there. And then some business resources, so they might be like websites and things that you might want to use. And then you've got a place for you to write your business ideas. Again, some more quotes. And then you've got your business goals, so action steps, notes, and then just more, like a whole pages full of the action steps and notes, so on all your different goals you may have for your business. And then you've got your goals timeline, so how long you want to do these, and some of the actions to be taken, and some of the goals and some of the actions you need to take to achieve your goals. And then over here you have your project planner, so what project it is and an overview of it, some goals, some actions, phase 1, 2 and 3 of your timeline, and it just goes on again. So it's very similar to the last part, and you've got a few of those. Then you've got new products and services ideas, so description and a date that you want to launch it by, what the product and service is, what problems does it solve and how does it make it unique, and some notes and ideas and actions to be taken. And it's got, again, a few pages of these. Then it's just got a whole budget planner. Now this is what I have been loving, that's been keeping me really organized with my business, because the sheets that you get from Centrelink are the same as what's in this book, so you can fill them in each month, and then when you have to fill in all the stuff for Centrelink, it's there. I don't have an accountant because I'm only 1 day a week, as I said. I do take on other days that I'm free with. I have a mummy kid-free weekend, so I will take on like organizing projects, but other than that I just do my cleaning 1 day a week. So and of course YouTube. So this has just got a business bills and expense tracker, so expenses, amounts, and then all your weekly, monthly, quarterly and annually things that need to be taken. So this might be all your subscriptions and things like that, like Canva for instance, if you're using that to advertise and use to schedule on social media. If you're using a music program like I am, then obviously that again costs money, so that's another subscription that costs money. Yeah, there's lots of different subscription services obviously available for businesses. Budget cleanup, there's just some ideas for you. So there's lots of business ideas in here as well. Monthly profit tracker. And here is what I was talking about before with, you've got your income, fixed expenses and variable expenses. So you can write that in, and then each quarter when you do have to do your profit and loss thing for Centrelink, it is already done for you because you've been using it and tracking it in your diary. Then you've got a plastic pocket here, and this is for all your receipts, so you can add all your bits and pieces up. Then here is just your marketing and social medias. So what problem do you want to solve for your clients and customers? What is one of the things that you consider an action you can take to market your business? How can you make marketing your business fun? How do you want to feel when you show up on your business for social media? So it just, I'm not going to read through everything, there is so much in here. And then you've got marketing master plan, so date, retail event, promotional campaign, competitions and giveaways, blog. Then you've even got a social media tracker here, which is your posts. So this one is TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. And then the emailing campaign, advertising. And then you've got a campaign tracker, which is promotion and ideas, objective and focus, T's and C's of product details, promotional messaging, promotional checklist, what worked, what didn't work. And then it just basically just repeats itself again. And you've got your social media goals, and then what platform it is, actions to take, and you can do that for all your different social media platforms as well. And then a social media stats in here, and there's a social media challenge, and then social media post ideas. Oh my golly gosh, there is so much, so much, guys. And then an advertising tracker. So they've got a few of those. And then there's just the admin as well. So these got some important contacts. So there's emails, names, phone numbers. And then you've got supplier details. And then lots of notes here at the back. So last year, we've got another plastic pocket here. We've got stickers. Last year we did not have stickers in the planner, and I believe that plastic pocket is a newbie. And then we had another little booklet that come with this as well. And it's just got about her business. Why did you start the business? What are your values? Describe your brand and in one sentence. And what are your key messages? Just your target audience, branding. So I have all mine saved in Canva, but I could also put this in here as well. Then this is all your budgeting stuff. Business, trade, maths cheat sheet. I really, really like this diary. I think it's worth every cent. I believe I paid $69 or $79. I can't remember. I will leave it in the description box for you guys, so you can purchase this diary. If this diary is not available, I will put in another diary as well. I think the Essentials Planner is her big one for the everyday person that doesn't have a business. So if you want something like that, then that would be, but you can see how much detail she goes to just in the business planner. So you could imagine the other ones as well. And I believe, I remember her saying that the reason why she brought a planner out to begin with is because she wanted a planner but nothing had everything that she wanted. So she goes to great depth and detail into her planners, and I think that that's what makes them so amazing and unique. And they do come in other colours as well if you do like it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little review. And if you do want to see me review any other organisation products, then definitely hit me up, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video, and I'll see you then. Bye.